This football season, we get anything we want, any topping, any specialty, any large pizza hut pizza.
Yeah, I mean, they lost their starting running back in after
But it won't. Not until September 27th. Bring them the flavor with the
Okay, who's ready for wiffle ball?
I am.
We can get started. We got Nick Wilbur.
Greg, we have a trash bag?
Yeah. Right there. Hi, Teddy.
I have a dream of maybe one day coming out here not hungover.
I don't know when I always like say like I'm gonna be good.
Yeah, I know. It never happens. Fuck you, dude.
Play
I'm
the game. Responsible. You want me to hold him?
Actually, Will was supposed to bring a steak.
Keep me on my toes. Hey, come here. You want to bend the steak? Lay down there.
Wait, why am I the only one wearing the uniform?
You don't really wear it.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
It won't be till I hit.
Yeah, exactly. All right.
What it's all about. This is a DraftKings league amongst friends. But there's room for only one vote this game. You'll share some laughs, sure.
It's weird listening to a commercial there.
Because DraftKings is a one-week winner-take-all league. Camaraderie can only go so far. This is DraftKings.
Sucker.
Safe, yeah.
To the big time.
Play free with your friends with promo code Trackus. DraftKings.com.
Second fastest player in the league.
This feels fast.
I'm pretty sure you still get
So you don't hit
You just pay for it. Probably the bummer.
I like that call.
You mean like sliding into gong and taking basic attention?
Or hitting Holiday in the back of the head.
On Sunday, sign in or sign up with Pizza Checkout to get half off menu price pizzas at pizzahut.com.
Pizza everywhere you open it.
Is that Reed? 1-1.
Hey! Time to be heroes, guys.
No Reed or high?
Game of War. Download and play for free now on the App Store.
This project calls for a real multitasker, someone who can handle 6 things at once. Someone like George. My boss.
Starbucks double shot. There's no match for Double DU. George Venus and Josh Rock. Tuesday, September 29th on Fox.
Your career franchises in the National Football League. English Hall of Famers. We meet today for the 21st time. Steelers to an 8-0 lead.
Play some defense, baby.
That's a nice little pitch there. A little bit of that zone read. We'll see how that plays out this afternoon. An element in this San Francisco running game. Not only Colin Tide, that you have to worry about running the football. But don't forget about Colin Kaepernick on that ball.
So you see. Uh-oh.
Call it your girlfriend hates my guts for driving home last night, huh?
We talked about the environment and the culture that Jim Tom Cruise bring here with the San Francisco 49ers, but you see a lot of the same traits that we've seen over the last 4 years when they've had so much success here.
Mike.
Jack, Tony, Matt.
Make use of that flexibility and take advantage of that. Defense backs to the ball. A lot of the same characteristics of the 49ers.
Taking the spear as fast as I can. Shit, I be in a count. Blood and straw. Alright, let's get it on.
It's so weird with our
Good luck focusing while you're batting, listening to it.
I'll be alright.
It's a big play happens.
Well, you know, it's easier to do this for football than like to do hockey or something. You have to stare the whole fucking time.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Here it is.
And you remember years past, I would bring out the radio for like us in the playoffs in hockey.
Meetings because he didn't know what coverage was. He said, but I want it to be there. I want to know their words. I want them to know my words.
Boom.
Jackhammers were aggressive.
So once it doesn't out, like popped out through the
Fuck this taking walks bullshit.
Go, Colin.
Suck it, Lip Billy Bean.
Calling in Adriano.
Save on the hour.
That's the best pitch I'm going to see all day, too. Fuck.
He's not going anywhere.
Whoa!
That's the rat.
With a beer in hand!
Give him an out and a half for that.
That's what I like to hear. Good job, Pat.
Felix goes yard. Who else?
He will be awarded the first down on forward progress.
And you mentioned it earlier, Kenny. Richie Bush.
Bush lead.
No count. Jared Hayden and Mike Davis.
Pretty good though.
Carlos Hyde is out.
Suck it.
And we running backs do not get protection.
That's two
Down
beers?
there on his knees. That's something you like to see. We talk about targeting with injuries to the head. The other area we have to always be concerned about is head injuries. More guys in the flex.
Double off that.
Don't answer.
Matt and Jack.
Let's go, Skip.
And game 3. Under a minute remaining first quarter. Jared Hayden, 9 years in the National Rugby League in Australia, 2-time Player of the Year.
We're not off to a good start.
Is that going in the email tomorrow?
Monday night, and more people watched the game in Australia than last year's Super Bowl.
Yeah, it's become a huge story down under. And to tell you what, I watch him in pre-warm up. He's extremely athletic. And we'll talk more about it. But good news for Niners.
There you go. Whoa.
What's living on the edge right there?
Second down and 7.
So I really want to test that whole like 0-1 talking about email a couple weeks ago. The problem is like I really need someone else to help me like
Oh, yeah.
drag out fucking 10 goddamn 50-pound weights. And that's really why I didn't do it because I didn't know what to help.
I basically getting
I came to you last time Adriana gets you here.
come out.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, do it.
And I guess, you know, it's like sort of labor and conservative to do every week unless we get on someone to help them. That's a good fucking shot right there.
This is your granddaughter. Congratulations. Get ready for the You should stop by table 12.
Get that ball in. All right. Hey, bear down now, Skip. Bear down.
Stop. Come on.
Jimmy. Premieres Tuesday, September 29th.
It's kind of calm to even walk through it in the world.
The season premiere, 1 week from tonight on Fox.
The time is in calm.
I'm warming up.
People are going crazy for these one-week fantasy football leagues at FanDuel.com.
All right. 0-2, 0-2.
FanDuel lets you play in one-week fantasy football leagues for real money. Assembling the ideal team on FanDuel is a blast. Try FanDuel today.
Yo, let's see that nasty pitch right here. Number 7. Number 7.
On FanDuel, I've won over 6.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Go to FanDuel.com. Click on the microphone to get a bonus of up to $200. Enter promo code. That's promo code.
You are allowed to call yourself out. It's in the bylaws.
As the season shifts,
Social experiment has concluded. Coors Light is the winner.
and with change comes opportunity.
Bud Light is by far the loser.
It's up to you to seize it. This spring, find your opportunity at Cadillac. The 2015 Cadillac.
Pitch.
Get the smaller space for about 269.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Just kind of In a way, it's dumb. It's just like, kind of just like, sure, I'll go along with it.
But what about the stuff that sound dirty that you can say? I'm speaking, of course, of kumquat, shuttlecock, dictaphone,
Oh!
channel,
Yeah!
shake.
Late read.
Woo! And you'll have to tune in September 20th for that.
That's beautiful. Thanks a lot, Shinjo.
Tune in anyway.
That was the 67th Emmy Award.
All right, one down, Mike. One down, Mike.
You're going to get hot in this phone. So we'll get 50 cents.
And I think that this is something that Colin Kaepernick will have to grow into and evolve into.
Own one.
This year, taking a corner down in Arizona and
Touched out.
wanting to be
There it is! Oh! Bail me out, buddy.
And we see a nice example of it right there. The previous play, that's a design run for him. It's going to be the zone read. You're going to pull it and take off. But in the pocket, when do I cover under?
Top of the order.
You weren't there. I saw you
Still nothing.
He was waiting for that time to go out there. Bounce back.
Now the question is, can he do this?
Top
But
of
he
the
said,
third.
remember, your job is to deliver the ball from the pocket, and your legs are there just for emergency situations. That will be Colin's challenge through the course of the season.
He's hit it right twice so far today. Both it prior to the snap.
Cut. Big cut. Let's get on base.
Encroachment. Defense, number 90. 5-yard penalty. Down. First down. That's on Steve. The flag out the floor.
Well, Colin Kaepernick had a very big challenge, not just
Yeah, it
for
worked,
his
Teddy.
guys.
It finally worked.
Talk with him about
Greg,
him
you're a
wanting
good
to
boy.
not just be a better
You're a very good
quarterback,
boy.
but wanting to be a better person. Finish his
If you want
season.
his treats, let me know.
He's just freaking out. Anytime he's moving. Ooh.
Sorry.
He said, I've worked on who I am, not just what I do.
Teddy.
So-sweet training in Arizona, as you said, with Kurt, but he said he went back alone to the desert, disconnected, isolated myself. He said, no outside influence.
We get Galway to buy a Wolfpack hat. I feel like everybody else has got one.
It's at 10, huh?
Yeah. It's so crisp too. Like more crisp.
Yeah, I know. I wore mine the first week, and now I'm not wearing it anymore because you got the Wolfpack. I can't be associated.
That was gonna be a I actually wear back. I might have had it.
God damn it.
I like that.
Oh!
Whoa!
And we talk about
Lock it down, Adriano.
I think we got him with the hot spot.
Gotta protect your team. Retaliation.
it's his leadership. It's the example he sets. The voice of the franchise, the very storied San Francisco 49er franchise. That's why it is such a demanding job. And when you've got that right person, it makes a huge difference in the organization. So I really applaud Colin Kaepernick to really kind of pull that players and wanting to be back.
Waiting to happen.
And trying to discover that it factor.
Kaepernick to the outside.
Ah!
Finale, Garrett Selleck, who makes the catch for San Francisco. First down.
We are seeing this Pittsburgh Steelers defense. They definitely they've got a lot of those communication issues corrected right now. We are not seeing anybody from a creational standpoint being turned loose, lining up with nobody to cover them on that opposite side. So good job by Keith Butler and his crew this week.
14th play on the drive on the coast. This is Mike Davis' first NFL.
What was that?
That's the pitch that struck me out. That should be 16. What? There's no read. 25? What does this? I was sitting here watching it.
Where's the count?
It's
But
is it 02 or is it 01? What's the count?
0-1.
okay.
I've never seen you throw 25, that's all.
And just tremendous push by the Steelers.
I'm sorry, Mac. God damn it.
You're having a good day. Getting everything turned. Here comes your pressure. Good job by William Gay setting that edge, forcing everything back inside.
Maybe I should drink less moonshine.
By Eric Pierce.
Hot out.
Ball?
Still tired.
Or 0-1?
tried.
Hey, you get one of these. How are they in the 23-yard line when they like run 18 plays?
That was very close.
We're going getting out of that box, huh? That is a little more hustle than I was expecting.
Top of the order.
I think Wolfpack gives it.
Jack and Tony. A little nonchalant in the batter's box.
Fuck, man. Alright, let's go skip.
Woo.
Oh shit, I'm sorry. I can't read right. Not cool, bro.
Bottom of 3, still no score.
Ah.
This will be the 16th play of the from the 27th.
Go ahead, your own game. What about us?
Let's go skip.
Not twice the same at bat, but you might see it.
0-2.
No problem.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Have a good rest of Sunday.
It sounded like they had performed out.
Next week.
Yeah, I can see why.
We take everything out.
Alright, let's go, T. It's better down here.
Hey, good spot for it.
Get 2, Adriana.
Okay. Alright,
They had a goal
thanks
club
again.
outfield, you would caught it.
It is the ultimate homecoming for Jim Tom Sula. Grew up 8 miles from the stadium. 8 miles southeast.
Alright, Jack. How'd you get on?
Pennsylvania, what a story.
Blip single. There it is.
What is this? Don't worry about my reads. Who worries about it?
Skip.
That's like not anywhere near a hittable place. He threw that pitch every time. Trick everybody out.
Defense, number 92.
There you go.
James Harrison.
I would not have wanted to hit against that one. Skip.
A penalty of the first half.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Jack, you're tagging on that, right? Tagging on everything. I don't really know.
There it is.
Mike Tomlin told us about Cameron Hayward. You can see he's had a great series here with sacking the quarterback, pursuit from
Call that at bat, Will.
on the perimeter to make tackles.
I like scoring this game. This game's fun to watch.
Hey.
What? I don't want it. Jack, you're getting that power step. Power step.
What are you talking about?
Rose up here at the end. There's Cameron Hayward right there in the middle, number 97.
Oh, shit.
Working straight up the field. We've seen him just pushing the pocket. We've seen him down the line in pursuit. See why Mike Tomlin's so quiet.
Oh.
Woo.
Alright, Colin. You might be trying to press the team.
Is straight through.
Burns and Collins.
This is what happens when I get out here and I literally have not swung.
Oh! Big!
When I get no
Nice throw, Kirk.
I mean, all I'm going to do is make outs.
Yep.
Since we're only going to have like 4 games this week, I'm nominating that as a defensive web gem.
What happened? I was going to watch it.
Seattle comes so slow.
I'm a fan of diving.
I think any peg.
You might get a little rug burn. No one's
Slide.
expecting you to dive.
Who there?
I like that smooth jazz.
The guy only you believe
Hitting the ball.
in one week fantasy football on DraftKings, he can be the difference. Trust
Okay, I'm going.
your number. Trust your other feet on the floor. But know this. That sleeper is out there. The question is, playing. This is DraftKings. Welcome to the big time.
Play 1 week fantasy football at DraftKings.com this Sunday. Play free with promo code DIME.
The new vanity is perfect.
Thanks.
Nothing I can do in that one.
You did a really good job.
Yeah, now I'm feeling like there's nothing I can't do. You know what? I'm finally going to present my idea to my boss. Never lose your cat at night again. All right. Presenting the glow in the dark
That's
cat
Jamie?
hat. It's dark, so I can't see a
Where?
reaction. It's
Is
not
that
good.
swinging?
Yeah.
It's hard to come out here with no warm-up whatsoever, having not swung back.
I skip. A little high, a little high. Yeah, it looked like 56. 6 skip. Slow down a little bit.
Had it been a legal pitch, it would have been demolished. Same one, I read 25.
This is an intimidating tactic, having the Steelers game on in the background.
No, it's pissing me off.
Dude, fuck off! We all have to hear the Great Depression.
If you want to hear your game, bring your speaker. I'm going to do that. 2000, yeah, 2007? Probably get that.
Shy, gone for that?
My brother kept telling me nice.
You still getting that payout?
I'm like, yeah, wow. If you lock this one up there and you match it, it's on you.
Why is it Yeah. Oh boy.
Too high.
Oh boy.
Why are you not on second base?
Yeah, you should bark at him. Your dad's an asshole. Why didn't you catch that?
Nick Westbrook contact.
All right, skip. Let's get to here. Let's get to here.
That's all right. I give it Tony's last red bats. I'm not really worried. Hey, your head's out here.
Great wiffle ball music.
All right, punch him out here, skip. It's getting nasty now. Hey, number 7, number 7.
Why is this a TV broadcast?
Oh, that was the number 7.
Is this Faye Bill?
Get it?
Yo, Teddy, let me get that
Bottom
ball.
5?
French fries and I are pregnant.
Almost
Hey,
got
Greg,
it.
what inning you? I thought
I don't know how you did it.
Yeah, you're right.
No stopping trouble.
Big
1
cut.
and 2?
Yeah.
Ultimate Fighter, Wednesday at 10 only on
Just under it.
Can't pull this while event.
Steelers offense on the field for the first time in
Let's try.
nearly 9 minutes following a long San Francisco
All right, we got one mic. We got one mic.
Williams at the backfield.
All right, gang, y'all. Power against power. Sam Frank kick a field goal? Score. 8-3.
Injuries are a part of the game.
Teddy, come here. Good job. Teddy. Come back. Hey,
Teddy, stop.
Teddy, you're distracting Adriana.
See if you had any test results came back negative.
Barely even see that one. There it is.
That is. That can't be third. Holy shit. Threw the thing off when I threw the one past.
It looked like 28 and a half.
I think it close to the,
All right, it's got Teddy.
Why are you going crazy all of a sudden?
Oh, 7. What the hell just happened? Put 10 on everything.
Come here. Come here.
Dude, that's the one! Fuck!
What?
Yeah.
Teddy.
Hey, Teddy.
Go, Teddy.
Now we can all focus. Game here.
Like Kenneth Acker, but he's
Boom.
Antonio Brown. He's not just a speed guy, right at the point of the catch.
I'm not trying to do that.
0-1.
Third reception today now, Williams. And he gains 2 out to the 37.
Both of these offense very effective
Whoa.
in the running game. Defense for both of these offenses.
Yeah,
Having a
1-1.
little bit of trouble getting the running game.
Push, bud. There it is. Why are you barking so much? What do you want?
Something happened.
Come here. Come here.
I swear.
Come on, let's go back to the river.
I mean, all 2 seasons has never been
Whoa.
we spotted 2 guys. I threw a few hot ones to you. That's your red man.
Hey, don't worry about him. Don't worry about him.
Worry about me.
What do you want? What's this? Oh, there it is.
That's the one. Let's bear down. All right, go. Lead here. 1 out.
Adriano, Nick.
Well, everybody hits now. It's contagious. Top 5 now. Let's go. Everybody hits. Yeah, I know. There was a good in it. Jack, I'll be honest. I'm feeling something down the line. Teddy. Yeah. It's a warm day.
It's getting wild that last one. Top of the 5th, no score.
One up.
You want some water? Teddy. Look at this ice cube, Teddy.
Oh, you bet.
I think it's just like a constant ball flying. So he's like, wait, dang, eat that.
Break game.
You put up the 10 for us, guys.
After this game,
That's what I'm going to do.
Williams' first touchdown since the 2013 season.
Uh-oh.
Good idea. Bad case.
Steelers went for 2 following their first touchdown.
Sorry, news there. Hi, Nick.
Holding, and there is a flag. Whoever wants to head out onto the field.
That's on San Francisco. That's going to give you the ball.
Got Nick.
Whoever wants to get back out.
What was it?
Defense number 55.
Alex. Alex. 1 second. Can you come here and how do I forget how to do it? The ejection. I just make sure it's right.
You're going to put out 3 balls first.
Yeah, they don't have to go 5 yards.
So get one ready to
Right batter. Like to go now. We're going to go for 2. So now
All right, and then you go to subs.
Yeah.
and you're going against a Steeler offense that loves the opportunity to go for 2-point play.
Successful on their first attempt. This time,
Sorry, Nick. What did you just do?
Hot shot, the catcher.
It's ridiculous. Hey, shut up, Teddy.
Alright, let's keep carrying us, bud. Get some here. You're going crazy, Teddy.
Sorry, I thought you were your brother. I thought you swung a fastball down the middle.
Choose a league.
Come here,
They
come
started
here.
at $1.
It's okay.
Done. Winners get paid the next day, and there's no season-long commitment. FanDuel pays out $75 million a week. Get off the
It would have been
sidelines
really
and get
close.
some. Try FanDuel today. We'll match your first deposit $200. Love it or your money back. Guaranteed.
Alright, get 2 here. Skip. Let's go.
And our promo code WARNING.
Every inning, he gets a single.
Put a guy on base every inning.
Denali Highway. Low on gas. It's gonna fill up.
Bottom of the 5th, by the way.
What's the luck on the win?
Day 2.
Ooh, don't run into that.
My ball, Skip.
Most ribs eat.
I've had better days.
To be honest, I don't like the feel of this ball. If I say it after hit, you're all gonna laugh at me. You know.
Whoop, there it is.
Out. 1 out. Let's count.
1 and 1.
2 years in a row. Well, Alvin, does that thing just follow you around?
Will, I need this.
Will I need to?
Maybe on third base. Shit.
Even no pressure.
Excellent.
Returns 1 week from tonight on Fox.
I'd punch him out anyway.
Today's game on Fox is sponsored by FanDuel, the leader in fantasy football.
Oh, right.
Reed. God. Skip.
0-2.
Keep doing that.
I'm smarter than a dog. Pick it up because it came off the grass.
Okay.
Just a little something to see where.
The 49ers offense. Back out onto the field.
Oh, you got tricked, Teddy. That's not even the same ball.
Idiot.
What an idiot. Where's the other one?
0-2.
Hey, you're on him now.
Yeah, he wants that ball.
Oh, that's that.
Yeah. Should caught that pop up.
Come on, tape.
Spits on it.
This is going to be good to watch back on video with just Teddy barking. Why are you going so crazy? Yeah. All right. I
That's
kind
a
of
warning.
hope so.
Are we good? You're good. You're good.
Don't worry about one.
Yeah, we got a deep pen.
All 50. There's 2 pitchers. Still up. We got a couple guys who can get up there.
It's got dog slobber on it. For your information.
Count, please.
There it is. There it is.
Oh, Teddy. There we go.
Dog slobber gave me that extra grip.
Oh, Teddy escaped. Teddy escaped.
Come here. All right, bear down. You got this guy. Oh.
Motherfucker! Joey, that content's gonna be coming with Jackhammers.
0-1.
I thought that was big.
Look alive out there, Mike. Yep.
I thought I got a fucking nickname, but no one gives a great.
There you go. Whip carrier, bud. That's it.
Top of the stick, still no score.
A run. Got it.
That's a good deal. Good water.
Trying.
Stop barking for a little bit.
Only hit twice. No one's down.
The strike board. About that.
It won't go down. The ground's ridiculous.
There's a mallet up there too. Orion.
At least it's just a little straight.
Let's just not make it worse.
Leaning a little more into lefty. It's not bad.
football and fantasy. What it's all about. This is a DraftKings league amongst friends. But there's room for anyone.
Jesus Christ.
That's a shitty ball, dude. I was gonna get you a better one.
Because DraftKings is a 1 week
Top 7, top 6.
This is DraftKings.
Play free with your friends with promo code PRACTICE. Get to DraftKings.com. This football season, we get everything we want. Any toppings, any specialty, any large Pizza Hut pizza for just $10. Now until September 27th, bring on the flavor with a $10 any carry-on.
You can't do that one. Only throw it around on strikeouts.
Yeah, he's batting.
With the new NFL Game Pass, Connor can connect to the football universe with all 256 regular season games on demand the next day.
All right, here we go, Colin.
Welcome to the family.
Oh, Teddy.
Touchdown, Giants.
All part.
Nice, I got a touchdown.
67 yards.
I love it.
Oh, no.
Teddy.
Radar thinks I'm up. Oh!
Wow, Hayward Bay caught a touchdown pass.
Who?
I think that's terrific. Hayward Bay. Terp.
Wow. Remember him?
Danger!
Must have been a long one, too. Because they scored in one play.
He used to do a lot of hype.
Yeah, he's our fourth wideout. What do we care?
Yeah, exactly.
He's only playing because Martavis is suspended.
Hey, shut up. John, you're a hitter now.
Oh my God, he missed the extra point.
Why you go for 2?
Oh, I thought, yeah, should probably miss one more.
Yeah, I could use some more Miller Lights. That's all you got?
Good eye. Decision you could, just let it go.
If that was Fargus, it would have been 163.
I appreciate it.
Too red. Grab attention now. Top of the order?
Kicking your ass off. I'm doing my best. I'm trying my fucking best to get
That's how you agree with this week. I think
More chicks out here. Get dry though.
All right, Mike. Look alive out there. You got nobody? Feeling a web gem coming right here from Mike. How do you want the ball from that? There's balls everywhere. Teddy, shut the fuck up.
It's not too late to play. Sign up for free.
You can get that. That's the wrong ball. This one. Idiot.
Stupid dog.
Yo, Skip Spitz got nasty last time. He got dog slobber all over it. Little spitball.
Boom. Back in it too. 0-1. Good. Felt like 32, but I'll take it.
Bottom 6, by the way.
Who was that? 45? 33?
Bottom 6.
There won't be a top 7.
Ooh. Big swing.
The hell with the play calls, Rick?
Yeah, stay with 8.
Fastball.
Ooh.
Yeah. Oh, what?
Ah!
It's not possible.
Ball don't lie.
There's no way.
Yahweh here to call home run.
1 and 2. Yes, come on.
I don't know if I really could keep going. I'm checking out here.
Dude, that shed is not coming together.
I don't know what's happening.
Boom!
There you go, Skip. Way to carry us. None of us can hit. At least you can pitch. Shit.
All right, Tony, you do.
Alex, do we hit next inning to stop the game or do we stop it?
What's that?
Sorry.
There you go.
Boom.
I thought you were going to throw me something meaty, and that was definitely not.
If I didn't know better, I would think that y'all's football is nothing more than
That's pretty accurate. Yeah, thank you.
That's right, yeah, like it is. Able to get there before Carlos Hyde can even locate where the ball was.
That was right, yeah, Phil. Hey, you're the one who gets the 30.
You guys won?
Yeah. 3-0. And then,
3 to nothing.
yeah, he drove me out.
Oh, nice.
There it is.
That guy saved me.
Teddy. What's going on?
The 0-1.
I don't hit him.
0-2.
No.
Just like your second count.
All right, 0-1.
You guys have 4 hits.
We got one more. Going 2.
All right, punch him out here. Skip, let's get nasty. Number 7.
This is bottom of 6.
No score. Surprised me of a
Celebration. Good pitch I didn't grab.
Fuck you looking at? You go for today? I am. I got my time still. I love California being that dog shit Texas team last year, huh?
Good job.
Well, they didn't cover.
Good job.
Not that it fucking mattered.
Stay hydrated.
What?
No,
I left and they fucking someone Texas came back. No, I didn't see the end. But someone told me later on. No shit.
There was some serious backdoor recovery last night.
kick wasn't even close.
I'm in a pool. Buffalo had Miami minus 3.5, and they were winning by like 20 in the fourth quarter. They ended up winning by 3.
Now you get the style. Whoa. Fast.
I had 3 goddamn call strikes there. That's a straight down. I'm going to go home and test the stats. Give me the code to the website. That's it.
Oh, sorry, what happened?
We got ejection. We got 2 strikes and 1 out.
straight up like going out of the factory airspeed thing.
Yep. Good. They ain't hitting that.
All right, Colin. I bought her the beers, I brought her home. They took your pants down and bent you over your bed.
No, you know it's coming, but you can't do it.
Put it in, scratch it. Sucker in. I already gagged her mouth. You can't go.
Nothing's even happening on that thing. Nothing's happening.
Can't emphasize that enough. Here's the strike.
All right, you ready?
Ready. Strike.
All right, 50 Jake. Hey, you got 2 on this guy, by the way.
Will you ever stop working on them? We're not going anywhere. We're not going anywhere. Huh? Calm down. You're just going to work yourself up and then go crazy.
2 and 2.
Sports psychiatrist.
Yes.
Field it. Shoot me. Yep.
The camera shoots 4K video now, which changes how your movies look.
Come on, base. Come on, base.
And your screen is the flash. That's going to get like anything likes. Actually, photos themselves have changed. They move now.
Adriano and Nick. Top of 7. No score.
Let's get like 3 or 4. Fuck these guys. I'm glad they brought both Coors Lights out. It's the only thing everyone wants to drink.
I stopped. Good act. Like,
Miller Lights. I'm drinking the Millers.
Nobody was drinking the Bud Light. That was the so.
Yeah, nobody likes that fucking shit.
Everybody likes Bud Light.
What are you talking about? Every pitch. He wants to get everything. Which I wonder what happened if he wasn't. If he would go after him. Bud always hard. You get another bottle of water for him.
47.
What? You get more water.
This little guy?
But it's like every pitch, right when he throws it, it's like, ooh, I can get that ball?
Feel that way about it. Sit down in
No,
your style.
you can't. Also, I love it because he gets like, he scares himself.
I think he sees me like crouching down and like he gets defensive.
Yeah, and that's why he like backs into me.
Yeah.
And he's like, wait, you're gonna have back me up, right? Hell, you're on your own, buddy.
God damn it.
Get apps, videos, and more at iTunes.com/.
Yeah?
Second and goal from the 2-yard line.
Yep.
Williams in the backfield. The handoff to Williams, and he knocks it in for his second touchdown today.
D'Angelo Williams?
There you go.
Wow.
They're kicking their ass.
Yeah, it's a bludgeoning.
It's that overhand break. You know, it's the double
I
right
thought that was I guess it's a win-win side of it. Oh.
Oh, baby.
Woo. Yeah, I mean, we had to. I mean, he's a good backup and he's doing his job, so. Wait, that wasn't it? Oh, shit.
Didn't believe that.
Good night, Nick.
There you go. You're finally laying down. Good.
All right, Gagnon. You've already taken a yard before. Chill the butcher DNA here.
All right, bottom of 7. Matt and Jack.
Two best hitting
No
teams.
score.
Two best hitting teams in the league.
Yep. Can't get on base.
0-0. Your team was raking last week.
Yeah, lock bomb.
Yeah. I missed it. I wasn't here, but I mean, I showed up. It was after the games were over.
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit.
It's 3-man lineups. Like sometimes it's dangerous.
It's useful, yeah.
Everybody gets like on fire. Yeah.
They got 3.
Can't blame that though. No, I know. But hey, you need a little thing. More beer.
There it is. We get a read on that.
26.
Here you go, CJ. 0-2.
Get it, Teddy.
Thanks, Teddy.
Get it?
I got it. Oh, dog slobber. It makes it extra good on the spins.
My job, you do yours. Everybody had to completely apart. Mine was the most minimal part. Got out the fucking